Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwaa of Capillary Cooking and Other Delights video tutorials. Today I'm sharing with you my one pot chicken biryani recipe. I'm sure you know there's hundreds of different versions of biryani recipes across the world that's being used. Each culture's got their own version of how to make biryani, just like we Capillary's got our traditional and authentic biryani recipe made with lentils and biryani masala and fried onions, fried potatoes and boiled eggs for garnishing. But today I'm sharing with you a completely different recipe. I'm using less ingredients as I'm sure many of us go through that period in life where you don't have all the ingredients at home, readily at home. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by soaking 2 cups of long grain rice in boiling water for 30 minutes. And then we're going to marinate our chicken. I've got about 1 kilo of chicken pieces. We're going to marinate it with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, and 2 teaspoons garam masala. And then we're going to mix it all together with 3/4 cup buttermilk or plain yogurt. And we're going to add 2 cloves of garlic, which are chopped. You can add ginger as well, but like I said, we always don't have all the ingredients in home, readily at home. I didn't add ginger on this occasion, so I didn't add ginger. So you can give or take whatever you have in your house and just substitute it or leave it out. So I'm today with this recipe, making this recipe, I'm the sous chef in actual fact. My husband is doing the cooking and I'm just doing all the prepping and being the sous chef. So what he did was he heated some oil and a tablespoon of butter in a pot. And then while the butter is melted, add some cardamom, stick cinnamon, allspice, and 2 bay leaves, and coriander seeds and cumin seeds. So those whole seeds give extra flavor as well, and fennel seeds as well. So give it a stir and stir fry it for about a minute or so for the flavors to develop. And then you're going to add 1 slice of roughly chopped onion. Three to 4 chillies. So you can add less chillies. The chillies we used wasn't very spicy or hot. Then you're going to cook your onions until it's lightly brown and it's gone soft. You're going to add 1 sliced tomato. So you can see all our ingredients are very roughly chopped. Just give that a stir. All that onions and tomato is going to cook away with the chicken, with the marinated chicken. So you're going to add your chicken in now. You see everything is going in, the chicken with all the spices that's been marinating. You can marinate this overnight or for at least an hour. Refrigerate it while it's marinating. You don't want your chicken to go off. Give your chicken a stir. Then you're going to cook your chicken for about 15 minutes, adding water as needed. Then you're going to strain your rice, and as you can see, the rice is starting to boil, to soften in the hot water, the boiling water. So you're going to add your rice, drain off the excess water, and add your rice. You're just going to lay it on top. You're not going to stir it in. After all, it is a biryani. You don't want to akni at the end of the day. In akni, you stir the rice into the chicken and sauce. But for this, you're just going to put the rice on top. And then I've got mixed some egg yellow with some water and just pour it on top. Garnish with freshly chopped dhania. Add some butter. The butter is just for extra flavor. You don't need to add the butter, but as I say, the butter is just for extra flavor. Cover and steam on low for 15 minutes for the rice to finish cooking. And there you can see your biryani is almost done. You're going to turn the heat off and leave it to sit with the lid on and covered for about 10 minutes before dishing up. And there you have it. Quick and easy, one pot biryani. Chicken biryani. Delicious.